How's everybody doing? Here we go. Yeah, get a look. Yeah, this is your Wisconsin weather right here, boys. Look at this. Normally coming at you with some stuff, but here we are. There it is. This is a Wisconsin weather right here. Whew. Look at this. This is what you get in Wisconsin. Look at this. Crazy weather. Just intense weather. What a scene. What a scene out here, guys. Don't move to Wisconsin. Don't do it. Oh, hear that wind. All right, let's walk up. Yeah. There you are. There you are, guys. The first plow of this snowfall in the books. The first plow of this snowfall in the books. Look at the backyard here. There you are. There's a snowfall here, man. Listen, guys, if you live in a nice state, like let's say Florida, Arizona, Texas, you know, even down into Georgia, Tennessee area, and you're complaining about where you live, don't complain, okay? Unless you're gonna come up here in Wisconsin and live up here for a while, don't you complain. Don't you complain, okay? Take a look. Take a look. I just took care of this, right? I already got about, you know, just a glazing over the top. All right, look at that. Don't complain. Don't complain. Don't you complain about your weather where you live, okay? Don't complain about it. Whew. Oh yeah. Gonna get about 8 inches. I think I just took care of, I don't know, I probably took care of about, I'd say about 4 inches of snow on the ground here where I live. Don't complain about where you live unless you want to come get some of this weather. I hope you guys are having an awesome Saturday night. Stay safe, have fun, and don't complain.